Welcome to Saloni's Simple Kitchen. Today we'll be making Jamaican corned beef sandwich or bully beef sandwich. Yeah, you heard me right. Corned beef sandwich, two ways. Check it out. So for our corned beef sandwich, we're gonna need some corned beef. Yes, and you can use whatever corned beef that you like. Also, we're gonna need some bread. You can use brown bread or white bread. You're gonna need some butter. You can use any butter that you want, guys. And of course, some mayonnaise, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and some black pepper. So we're keeping it simple. And there are a few things that you can add to this, which we'll talk about as we go along. So first things first, let's open our corned beef tin. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Yes, quite simple. Just take that out. Perfect. Now my baby doesn't like mayonnaise, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off a piece of this corned beef and put it in another plate for her. Yes. Now let's crush this up. Now to this, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some onion or mince some onion. I'm not going to use all of this onion. Right, so this is the amount that I'm going to use. So let's say about around a tablespoon of minced onion. And you can use scallion instead of the onion if you prefer a milder flavor. Now for the scotch bonnet pepper, I'm going to do the same. So we want a little heat in our corned beef sandwich, you know, spice it up. Yeah, love that kick. Now yes, no. So that's it, guys. Very simple. And you can even add some sweet pepper or bell pepper to this if you like. Add a little black pepper. Just about half teaspoon of black pepper, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little pepper in my baby one. He likes pepper, so I'm gonna give him a little pepper, some of the black pepper in his. Yeah, mash it up. I don't think he likes onion, so I'm not gonna put any onion in this. I tell you already, so I'm not waste nothing. Yeah, so let's mix that up. So theme one ready already. So to this, I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. You can use a different spoon to take out the mayonnaise, or you can just use the same spoon. And guys, I want this to be creamy. Yeah. So let's mix this up real good. Combine everything together. Yeah, so I hit that, guys. So let's go ahead and prep or prepare our bread. I can't bother fight for open this bread, so I'm gonna tear it out. So what we need to do, we're gonna cut away the crust from the bread. And how we do that, we're just gonna go ahead and slice away or cut away the crust. Yes. So we're going to go ahead and do this to all our bread slices. And please don't throw away the crust. You can use this to make bread crumbs. Okay guys, so we're done cut up the bread or remove the crust from our bread slices. So we're going to go ahead now and put some butter on the slices. Yes, butter it up real nice. Yeah, so as we are doing it, you know, that's how we're doing it. So let's go ahead now and put some of our bully beef filling on the bread slice, one of the slice, just like that. Real nice. Yeah. Why the fold them nicely this morning though. Now we're just gonna top it with another slice of bread, just like that. So you can cut it like this and this, or you can just do it like this. I eat that. Yeah. Plate this. So we're just gonna go ahead and butter all our bread slices. Top it with our corned beef filling. Yeah. Yeah, so we are gonna do the rest same way and we'll be back. So that's it guys, our Jamaican corned beef sandwich. Now this is great for a party, picnic, or just to have anytime. Yeah, that's simple. But thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, leave me a comment so we can chat. Give me a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple recipes. Yeah.